Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax at Coral Beach. My name is Candy. Today I'm going to be showing you this fresh trade-in we got. It's a 2021 Regulator 26XO. This boat is rigged out and ready to hit the water. One of the great options that this boat has to offer is the Minn Kota trolling motor with the iPilot. One of the really impressive things about this boat is it's got the Yamaha 425 XTO on the back of it. It's got just under 60 hours. This thing's a beast. It's also got jackplate here with an 8-foot power pole. Let's hop up on the inside and I'll show you what it has to offer in that. Here we are on the top side of the boat. See, this boat's got rod holders on the back of the leaning post along with up top here. We also have a nice big live well, bait well right here on the back. See, we got 3 bench seats right here, flip up and flip down very easily. Storage underneath. As we move forward here to the helm, see, this boat is equipped with twin Garmin screens, Yamaha CL5, Garmin AIS VHF radio. We got the Lenco trim tabs. This boat has some super comfortable seats here on that leaning post. Flip up bolsters, both sides. Also have footrest to flip down, make it nice, and then another footrest with storage right here below. Let's move to the front of the boat. Not only is this boat set up for doing some hardcore fishing, it does offer a lot of great creature comforts. We got a nice big sun pad here on front, plenty of cushions. We do have the flip up backrest here for some forward lounging. Makes it nice for those runs to the fishing spots. We got big fish box here in the floor, self-draining. Here on the front of the helm, got 2 big captain's chairs here also. Flip down rest, makes it super nice with a cooler underneath these front seats. Another important feature of this boat is it does have a nice large head. I'm not a tall guy myself, but I could easily, I'd say a guy 6 foot can stand up easily and use the restroom if need be out there on the water. If you have any questions about this boat or any of the other boats we have here at Coral Beach, MarineMax, give me a shout at 417-229-2517. Thanks.